Chachi, Ricky's gonna help you right now. Ricky's gonna help you right now.
Come here.
Come here, Ricky.
Come here, Ricky. Come here.
What do you want me to do?
Let's see what Santa Claus brought for my little boy.
Do it.
Don't be silent, Ricky. Start right around the lawn. He went right around. Let's see. What Santa Claus brought you?
Say, open that one.
Give me your cookie. Give me your cookie. And you can open up. And then you eat your cookie and live it. Give me. Thank you.
Okay, I'll open up your presents from Santa Claus.
What you got, Charlie? Oh, that's a big car, Charlie. What's this? Let me help you? Oh, okay, let's help you. Wow! Wow, what's that, Charlie?
Huh?
What's that? Why don't you open up your other ones?
Huh?
Yeah, Mama's got to fix it for you. Open up your other ones.
That one.
Open up your other ones. Mama gonna fix this one for you, okay? You open up that one, okay?
Open that one.
Open that one. That one's yours too. Santa Claus brought it for you.
Mama.
Oh, he only liked it this one.
Go open it, Crazy. Go open it. Look, it makes noise. It's a big dinosaur, I think.
Right away because I'm done. Go. Open that one.
Go open that. I think it's something.
Ya, eso que tiene, espérame, Andrés, Kiko.
Look at that.
Okay, let me turn this on.